If we look at the map of Hong Kong, Hong Kong has more than 70% mountainous areas. Therefore, when the rainy season comes, the rainwater from these mountainous areas will flow into the plains, urban areas, or villages. Hong Kong's soil is mainly volcanic. The ability to absorb rainwater is not very obvious. The rainwater is not easily absorbed into the ground. Therefore, the rainwater flows along the plains, causing the pollution of urban areas or villages. Therefore, when the Hong Kong government plans to develop the city, the first thing to solve is the issue of drainage. Since the early days, the Ministry of Culture and Tourism has been established. For more than 100 years, there have been more than 200 waterways and rivers in Hong Kong. Regardless of size and scale, they may affect the lives of residents. The responsibility of the Ministry of Culture and Tourism is to narrow these waterways. Therefore, in the past, Hong Kong had a lot of open-air drainage. These are all built by man-made excavation and land transportation. These are used to cooperate with urban development. With the rapid development of urban areas, many open-air drainages have been converted into underground drainages in order to facilitate urban construction and public transportation. These waterways flow from the ground into the sea. I remember that the chief executive, Dong Kinhua, said in a 2005 political report that some open-air drainages in urban areas have been a nuisance to residents for a long time. According to preliminary research, the government has selected 16 open-air drainages that can be improved, which will be covered in stages. These open-air drainages must be completed within 10 years. The Ministry of Culture and Tourism has also said that open-air drainages are the 14th most covered open-air drainage in urban areas. There are only 2 remaining open-air drainages. They are the Kai Tak open-air drainages, which will become Kai Tak River. The Hong Kong open-air drainage will be covered by the Hong Kong Railway. It will become today's Hong Kong Island Railway Station. The famous open-air drainages in Hong Kong include the Hong Kong open-air drainage, the Bollington River open-air drainage, and the most well-known Tai Hang open-air drainage. There is also an open-air drainage located in Tong Lo Wan, which used to be a famous open-air drainage. It used to be in front of St. Paul's Hospital, but it has been covered. Now let's take a look at the water sources of these main open-air drainages. First of all, the Hong Kong open-air drainage comes from Sai Kau Shan. The water flow can be connected to Lin Shui Tong. Now the Hong Kong open-air drainage is covered